Hello, family and friends. So I've come to the salon to make sure I have a very nice hair today. Hello, family and friends. So look at my hair today. I want to have a touch up. So this is the cream I'll be using. If you have ever used some, give me how it went with you. It has a styling gel on top as an added benefit. So let's see how my hair goes. Do enjoy vlogmas. I'm removing the corset. I'm removing the corset a little starting. Yeah, corset. Don't foul. No, no, no. Like that, you have to rectify. Actually, hey, when I come up, true. Actually, wait. You never percentage because to the awesome. I has very nice curvy line. Now with the peanut so much, right? And the simple. And I take you away. Hey, baby. If some of these things, so. I am having my hair styled now. Well, normally, yes, I want it folded at the back because it was in the afternoon and the tendency of me sweating behind is there. So that's how I want it. Do give us a comment. How do you want your hair styled? Do you have any experiences with retouching? Share, comment, subscribe. Cheers. I love you. Get to experience Trendy Up and her services. She's into accessories and beads, decor, fascinators, and more. This is a very splendid and an exquisite one. This is a hatinator made by yours truly, Trendy Up. A mini fascinator. This can do for every occasion. It's a hat. It's gorgeous. We have beaded accessories ranging from beaded brooches, necklaces, earrings, bangles, name them. Trust Trendy Up with all your accessories, be it customized or whatever. For every occasion, we make you trend. So this is what Trendy Up is into some of the flyers. Thank you for watching. Cheers. Merry Christmas. Thank you for watching. I love you all.